Let's look at this question. A stall sells popcorn chips and chips in packets of three sizes: large, super, and jumbo. Okay, the number of large, super, and jumbo packets in the stock are in the ratio of 7 is to 17 is to 16 for popcorn. So popcorn, large, super, and jumbo, you have 7 is to 17 is to 16. And for chips, you have large, super, and jumbo in the ratio 6 is to 15 is to 14. If the total number of popcorn packets in the stock is the same as that of chips packets, then the number of jumbo popcorn packets and jumbo chips packet are in the ratio. Okay. If the total number of popcorn packets and total number of chips packets are equal. So what you try to do here is take the summation of ratio here, take the summation of ratio here, and try to find the LCM. If you take the ratio of summation here, you get 7 plus 17 plus 16. Total turns out to be 40. If you take the summation here, total turns out to be 35. So you take the LCM of 40 and 35, and you get 35 into 8. 35 into 8 should be 280. This should be 40 into 7. This should be 35 into 8. So you multiply every term by 7. Because you are only concerned with jumbo, and jumbo will multiply only that by 7. 16 into 7 gives me 112, and 14 into 8 also gives me 112. Therefore, their ratio is going to be 1 is to 1. Now I've solved it in the way that if you did not notice something wonderful here, you would have solved. Otherwise, what you can see is, look at the jumbo packets here. Can you see they are 16 by 40, which is nothing but 2/5. The jumbo packets in popcorn are nothing but 2/5 of total. Similarly, look at jumbo packets in chips. They are 14 by 35, which is again nothing but 2/5. So now, regardless of the fact whether the totals are equal or not, if you have 40% purity of jumbo here and you have 40% of purity of jumbo here, regardless of what ratio we mix them in, they are always going to be giving you 40% only. Similarly, when they've told you that the total here and total here is equal, 2/5 of total here, 2/5 of total here, the ratio will always turn out to be 1 is to 1. If you could see this 7 is to 17 is to 16, the fraction of jumbo that you get is 2/5 here, and the fraction of jumbo that you get is 2/5 here, you can potentially reach your answer.